Want to use Manus AI for Meta ads updates and campaign management? Here's the simple, beginner-friendly way. Start by opening Meta Ads Manager and checking the Tools section. Some users now see Manus AI directly inside Ads Manager as an AI assistant for ad workflows. Next, use Manus AI to help with simple tasks like campaign summaries, audience research, performance reports, and ad ideas. Instead of manually checking every metric, you can ask Manus AI questions in plain language and let it organize the data for you. After that, use the AI suggestions to improve your ads. Manus AI can help identify which campaigns perform best, suggest optimizations, and save time on repetitive reporting work. Many advertisers are mainly using it for automation and faster analysis. Finally, always review the AI recommendations before changing your campaigns. AI tools can help speed things up, but you should still make the final decisions yourself. Some marketers online say Manus works best as an assistant, not a full replacement for manual strategy. Now you know how to use Manus AI for Meta ads updates by automating reports, researching audiences, and improving campaigns faster.